cloudy. Covered with clouds, not clear or sunny. It was a cloudy morning. We stayed inside because it was cloudy. Snowy. Having a lot of snow. We enjoyed a snowy evening outside. The roads are slippery because it's snowy. Rainy. Having a lot of rain. The picnic was cancelled because it was rainy. I stayed home on the rainy day. Thunder. The loud sound heard after lightning. We heard thunder during the storm. The thunder scared the children. Sunny. Bright with sunlight. We went for a walk because it was sunny. The beach looks best on sunny days. Windy. Having a lot of strong wind. Windy weather makes it feel colder. Flying a kite is fun on windy days. Hailing. Ice balls, hail, falling from the sky. Cars were damaged because it was hailing. We ran inside when it began hailing. Stormy. Having strong wind, rain, or thunder. Stormy weather damaged some houses. The sea becomes dangerous in stormy weather. Tornado. A violent, spinning column of air that touches the ground. Tornado warnings were issued early. The tornado destroyed several houses. Drought. A long period without rain. Water was limited during the drought. The region suffered from severe drought.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!